you to watch. And seriously, you have to do something, or else move out, because I can't do this anymore. You have to get healthy or get out. She's okay physically now, but incredibly angry with me for being insensitive about symptoms she can't help. But I know she can't help it, and that's why I want her to go to the hospital, because what if she has some kind of disease that can use medicine or something? I really don't know. I know medical info is super personal, but I live with her and see this problem every day, and it's really scary. So I kind of think it's my problem too, but maybe I'm overstepping. I really don't know. Is it a jerk thing to push people on medical topics like this? Maybe I should call her mom, in another city but not far. But that also feels kind of jerkish, and I don't know how to act right here. Edit. Thank you all so much for your stories and encouragement on this situation. It helped me realize it's worth acting, even if it would make me the jerk. We messaged her sister really late last night. Girlfriend said it was okay to do this, but I am the one who messaged. And she was still actually awake, and said she has the weekend off and could come stay with us for 2 days and help if she can. And she got here a few hours ago. She's being really kind to me,